Hi guys! Good morning! Look at that! Ang laki ng fish at saka ang buhaya. So yan, ang mga isda ng LYR Agro Industrial Resort sa Taguig City guys. So kung wala kayong ginagawa on weekends, visit LYR kasi napakaganda dito guys. Family bonding. Oh, it's an experience na pwede rin palang gawin just in Tagum City tayong inland puntahan guys. At dito yan sa LYR located sa La Filipina, Tagum City. Napakalapit lang yan guys. Experience the beauty of LYR. Welcome. O yan, nakita mo yung pinakamalaking buhaya sa
oras ni Kutob
Tagum
dire
City
mag-open?
guys. Dito lang yan matatagpuan sa
mag-close
LYR
na ba?
Industrial Resort. Nahuli na ang buhaya ng Tagum City guys. To Tagum City, enjoy watching and enjoy the beauty of LYR Resort on weekends guys. Come and visit Tagum City. Woohoo!